How to make Instagram account private. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can make Instagram account private. First of all, log in into your Instagram account, then move to the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon on the profiles page, move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then among the options displayed, ensure you select settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy page, you'll see a number of options. All right, then scroll down until you can see the option who can see your content, account privacy, and select that. And so once you're on your account privacy page, you can now see the option for you to make your account private. You can see currently that my account is public. That is why this toggle is turned off. But once you click on this toggle and it comes on, your Instagram account will be made private automatically. And through this, you can now control those that can have access to your account. You have control over those that should see your content and all of that. So this is how you can make your account private on Instagram. It is very simple. So go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching.